Hello guys, there we have a OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can make your phone louder. So, sadly we don't have any options in the sound section, in the settings of your phone, an equalizer or something like that, so we have to download some booster app. To do it, just open the Google Store and choose one of the volume booster app. I choose that one. So we have to open it now, click no thank you 3 times and close the window. Now click OK, and now by this little slider you can increase and decrease the volume booster. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.